The Flywheel Energy Calculator determines the energy storage and change in a rotating flywheel system between two different speeds. Let's walk through the four input fields. First, enter the mass in kilograms of your flywheel. Second, input the radius in meters, measured from the center to the outer edge. Third, provide the initial speed in RPM, which is your starting rotational speed. Fourth, enter the final speed in RPM, representing your ending rotational speed. Click Calculate Energy Storage to run the computation. Here's a practical example using a 10-kilogram flywheel with a 10-meter radius, starting and ending at 10 RPM. The calculator shows our initial energy is 274.16 joules. The final energy equals 274.16 joules. Since both speeds are identical, the energy difference, or delta E, is 0.00 joules, confirming no energy change occurred. The moment of inertia calculates to exactly 500 kilogram meters squared, which represents the flywheel's resistance to rotational acceleration. This value depends only on mass and radius, not speed. This tool streamlines flywheel energy calculations for mechanical systems and energy storage applications. Find the link in the description below.